We're almost coming towards the end of our practice session. I'd like us to come to lying down on our spine in a resting posture. So we're going to come to lying on our back, extending our legs forward and out, making ourselves comfortable. We want to find any resting position generally that makes us comfortable. So if your lower back is tender and you want to bend your knees, that's okay. Generally we turn our palms up to the sky, shoulders falling down towards the floor there, so the backs of the arms are comfortable. Sometimes the neck is kinked like this, so we want to think of the chin coming in, so the back of the neck is long. Finding a resting place that we're able to stay within for the next 3 minutes or so. So I want you to close your eyes here. And we want to stay within a conscious breath cycle. So just letting your whole body soften, release and relax. Not holding on to any unnecessary tension through our muscles. So together let's breathe. I'll get you to exhale fully. Now slowly breathing in through the nose. 1, 2, 3. And exhale. 3, 2, 1. Breath slowly draws in. Pausing. And out. 3, 2, 1. Breath draws in. Little pause. And breath out. 3, 2, 1. See if you can increase the duration of your out breath now. So we're going to breathe in for 3 and possibly out for 5. Slowly we breathe in. 1, 2, 3. And exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breath draws in. Pausing. And exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In your own time, finding a comfortable breath rhythm that suits your body, but we want to be in a state of ease and rest, so finding a rhythm that doesn't stress out our nervous system. With our mind's eye, staying focused on our breath, we can almost be an observer of our body here, resting. So if you imagined you were looking down upon yourself, you can teach yourself how to fully surrender, not holding on to any unnecessary tension. It's almost like we're breathing away any of the stresses or strains that we have going on in our daily life. Part of the yoga teaches us to be conscious and present, so we're not absorbed in thought 24/7. We can actually come into a nice quiet resting place and be absorbed in breath, strengthening our bodies, but also learning how to release our bodies. So whatever works for you, you might find that you'd like to stay lying down here for a few more minutes. If you're in a nice space, a nice zone of rest and relaxation, then that's definitely worth cultivating. Otherwise, gently rolling to the right and sitting up. So I hope you've enjoyed the beginner's sequence, the Dancing Warrior Yoga beginner's sequence, where we've actually gone in and given you a nice foundation of building all the postures to give you a nice introduction to the intermediate series. The intermediate sequence is built on the same sequence, but we're taking the postures into a further deeper zone. So if we practice this probably 3 or 4 times a week and build this up over a period of time, say 3 to 6 months, and then you feel free to check out the intermediate series and see what's right for you. Part of the fun of yoga is about experiencing your body with an open mind. And just remember, we always err on the side of caution with our yoga practice. I look forward to seeing you in the intermediate series of the Dancing Warrior Yoga sequences. Thank you.